Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home. Do you know that there are online jobs that can pay you just by working on your couch? If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And just so you know, I also have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure that you don't sleep on it. Keep on watching this video to not touch it down. If you're new to this channel, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I see you and I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, you know how it is now. I share various ways to make money from the comfort of your home. Without further ado, let's get right into the business for today. Come with me, let's go. And in case you're wondering, oh, how do I get paid from online jobs? See, here is my response for you guys. As an online contract worker, you generally get paid through PayPal or Venmo. For larger jobs, a company may insist on mailing you a check, yes, or transferring the money directly to your bank account. Sometimes you'll be able to choose the payment method by yourself, yes, because the payment method process depends on the type of work. So in case you're wondering what online jobs work best for you, guys, the online jobs that you pick should depend on your skill. Yes, it should depend on your skill set and how much money that you want to make. Yes, do you need to make as much money as quickly as possible? Whatever the cost is, are you a college student that can afford to build something that will be unprofitable at first, but could result in a powerful passive income stream in the future? Do you see an online job as a means to an end or a temporary fix? Do you want to build a new way of life? Are you willing to combine multiple online side hustles? My guys, these are essential questions to consider when choosing between a low reward, low effort jobs and high reward, high effort jobs. However, you cannot be too sure about online scams. You should be suspicious of anything that seems to offer very high reward with little or no effort. But there are plenty of online legit jobs that you can start today without any money. Some of them you might need just a mindset shift. And the first one on my list here is to become an online coach. Yes, guys, becoming an online coach can earn you the potential of $30 to $60 an hour. Of course, I charge way more than that. Coaching is a win-win situation. Yeah, it is one of the highest paying online jobs. You also truly get to help people develop themselves personally and professionally. See, coaching works best if you offer support within a specific niche. The most important or the most popular niches to specialize in are career coaching, health coaching, financial coaching, life coaching, relationship coaching, or counseling. Business executive coaching. See, you can find clients on social and business networking sites like Facebook and LinkedIn. Yes, it helps if you have a professional website set up with information on the services that you offer, as well as some referrals from any existing clients. Many consultants rely on word of mouth and referrals to attract new clients once they have established practices. Guys, the best thing about having your own online coaching business is that you get to set your own pay rates. Yes, so number 2, you can become a website application tester. You can earn up to $60 per test. You can make money as a website or application tester because you only be responsible for usability testing, which means that you assess the usefulness of an app or a site. If you don't consider yourself tech savvy, it can be an advantage because companies want to check their software that suits people like you that don't really understand how it works. Now you can try this website called usertesting.com. Yes, you can get paid a good amount of money per test. The next business on my list here is called dropshipping. You must have been hearing dropshipping. See, you can make money with dropshipping. You know, dropshipping allows you to sell goods without physically touching the stock that you are offering. A third party like Shopify, they handle the product and the deliveries, and they even give you space online to list your products. It's an easy way to get into e-commerce. Shopify takes its cut of the profits because Shopify has a great dropshipping guide explaining the process. The amount of money that you can earn depends on the value of your items, what you charge, and the scale of your operation. The next one here is to do Amazon Arbitrage. Hey, it provides another opportunity, another sales opportunity online. If you have any question regarding these terminologies, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to break it down to you guys anytime. Guys, Amazon Arbitrage provides another sales opportunity for you online. You can find discounted products in stores and sell them on Amazon to make a profit. It can actually be a time-consuming and difficult effort to make profit flipping these items, but if you're the type of person that enjoys searching for a bargain, then you might be able to slide into this business, slide it into your routine easily and make a little extra money. It's not a little, it's a lot. If you're interested in growing this into a large-scale business online, there are several software tools that are available that you can use to scan various online marketplaces, including Amazon. You can provide reports to help your selling strategies. Now, when you do this report shows you the hottest selling products during particular months, the average prices online, and the highest potential earning products. Most people who don't have a graphic design degree or even in-depth knowledge of Adobe Creative Cloud, they dismiss the idea of a career as a graphic designer. But guess what? You don't need a bachelor's degree for an entry-level job. I mean, not all companies need fancy logos created by skilled graphic designers. Some just need graphics created on basic websites like Canva and PicMonkey. Creating and managing online images take time, so many companies need outside help. If you don't have the basic digital skills, you could provide these services as an independent contractor, and you can master Canva in just a couple of hours. Guys, graphic design is one of my future-proof skills that is worth learning. See, no matter what career that you have or which remote job you plan to do, there is plenty of opportunity in this area, as is the case for other types of freelancing. You can sell your services on popular freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, Flex Jobs, Mechanical Turk. They have graphic design job postings too. And of course, working as a graphic designer generates more income for highly skilled artists. Yes. And then very good designers can earn up to $100 per hour. Guys, which of these strategies are you going to try out today? Yes, I'm all about implementing strategies. Or when I watch something, I don't just watch for the sake of watching anything. I watch and I take action. I'm one of the 1% of the 1%. If you want to be successful people are actually the 1% of the population, and unsuccessful people are almost 99% of the population. So if you want to join the 1% of the 1% of the population, you have to be someone that initiates action. You have to be someone that follows up, follows through. Don't be like people who go searching and searching for ways to make money online every day and they don't do anything. They only watch without taking a step. So guys, at this point, which of these strategies are you going to try out today? Let me know in the comments. And yes, we have come to the segment of the free giveaway. I'm giving away $100 cash gifts to you guys. All you need to do is this. We have launched our Telegram community, by the way. Go ahead and share my Telegram community link with your friends and family members, your besties, your village members, your Parapo members. Go ahead and share it with 50 people. I just need you to bring 50 people or more into the Telegram community. So what I advise you to do is share it with like 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends. Yes, share my Telegram link with 500 or 1,000 of your friends. And guess what? You're on your way to making good money from the comfort of your home. I'm gonna send you $100 cash gifts, and when I do that, I'll send it to you anywhere you are in the world. I can Zelle it to you. I can send it through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. I can send it through Western Union money transfer. Anywhere in the world, really, I will transfer $100 equivalent to you. So that is it, guys, for today. If you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So guys, take care of yourselves and bye for now. God bless you.